guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen me before or this is your first time watching my channel, hi, I'm Anu here. I make videos on travel, fashion as well as daily vlogs. So please make sure to stick around. Without waiting anything further, let's get started with today's video. Alright, in today's vlog, I wanted to explore the unexplored part of Cambridgeshire. I'll take you along cute cafes, traditional villages, cottages, scenic parks. So please stay tuned for that. First thing first, I need to have my breakfast. I'll show you my favorite breakfast. I'll show you step by step tutorial. So please stay tuned for that. I'm having my hot water right now. I will quickly make a breakfast and I'll start my journey. I think I need to go to Cambridge as well. I have to return some parcels. I have to go to JD and then H&M. I need to return some items which I don't like. So I'll drop the stuff there and then I'll come back home. Or else on my way back to home, I'll drop there. Yeah, I'll figure out something. So let's get started. So you are in my kitchen right now. As you can see, it's very messy. I can't show you. I'll show you the ingredients that you require for this avocado toast. I have my half avocado which I peeled and de-seeded. So I'll quickly grab my sourdough bread. So this is my favorite sourdough bread. It's only available in Tesco. I think it is having some red tomato. I'll take a slice of sourdough bread. I'll just cut it into half. I'll quickly pop it in air fryer for a minute. While that is going on, I'll quickly make a chia pudding. I added some Greek yogurt. I'll add almonds, chia seeds into this bowl. So I'm adding some almonds. So this is done. Let's check on sourdough bread. I evenly spread my avocado on sourdough bread. I will pour some chili oil on top of it. Today I wanted to have egg as well, so I'll quickly make that. I'm adding some butter. I added a banana to get some sweetness to this pudding. So that's it. That's my breakfast. I need to get ready and I don't know what to wear. The weather seems sunny. Let's ask Alexa what's the weather today. Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Cambridge, it's 23 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 24 degrees and a low of 14 degrees.
So I have to dress accordingly. Let's choose an outfit from my wardrobe. Anyway, I have two options. I wanted to wear this leather blazer, so let's style it. And I have this jumper which I got it from a charity shop, just £3. I'll wear some other day. Let's go with this one today. I'm gonna pair it up with a crop top and shorts. Let's pop it on and see how it looks. It's actually a cheek tint. I love this. I can't find this anymore. I need to restock this. As you can see, it's almost done. So I have to find this on my way back to home. I'm gonna wear my New Balances. Guys, remember this tree? I will say something about it. But there is a tree that I shown you earlier. It's on my way to the bus stop. It looks so beautiful during fall. I took so many pictures last year. I'll pop some pictures on the screen right now. So I'm planning to take more pictures this year as well. I think in a month or two it will turn yellow. Looks so beautiful. So I'm planning to do a transition like summer, winter, fall, and yeah, spring as well. So let's see how it goes on.
Balance please. Here we are.
I'm at the windmill right now, as you can see. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'll take some pictures and then I'll head back to home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please consider subscribing my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.